Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to add a co-host on Airbnb. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you're gonna have to open the Airbnb app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in into your Airbnb account. There you can see options like explore, wishlist, trips, messages and profile. You're gonna have to go to profile at the bottom right corner. Now you can see a black button saying switch to hosting. Tap on it, then switch into your hosting profile. Once you do that, you're gonna see options like calendar, listings, today, messages and menu at the bottom of your screen. Go to the listings and find the listing that you want to add a co-host. Then open the listing. Then under your space you have to scroll down and find co-host option right below about the host. Tap on it. Then all you have to do is select get us started. There you can see you're gonna have to type in a phone number or email address there in the empty boxes and tap on next. Then you're gonna have to give them permissions there like full access, calendar messaging access or calendar access. Then tap on next. Then review your invite and tap on send. And guys, that's it. That's how you add a co-host on Airbnb. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.